In this video, I'll show you how you can make some charcloth. Start by cutting this t-shirt into strips. Then we'll take this tin can and make a hole in the lid using a nail. We can put the cotton strips into tin and place it in fire. You should see some white smoke coming out from the hole we made earlier. And don't panic, that's completely normal. We are making an incomplete reaction by burning the cotton without any oxygen. Once there's no more smoke, remove the tin from the fire and close the hole. Once the box has cooled down, we can remove the lid and inside the cotton has turned black. Fun fact, this process also works with wood and that's one of the methods that industries use to make charcoal for the barbecue. Now let's make a little survival setup. No matches, no zippers, no fireworks, no flamethrowers. All we have is this charcloth and a lens. Let's concentrate the sun rays on the charcloth, and as you can see, it heats up really quickly and it gets really hot. On the thermometer, it reads us 330 degrees Celsius, and that's quite impressive. On some usual cotton, it doesn't even get warm. And also normal cotton produces more smoke than flames, so it's not really ideal for a survival situation. Here's a quick test with a piece of bamboo. So yeah, the bamboo doesn't want to light up, but you get the idea. If you have some dry wood, this would be a perfect solution to start a camping fire in a survival condition. I hope this video helped you. If that's the case, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel and blah 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 blah.